Good morning, students. We are continuing our exercise 2D. Come to question number 9. Here we have to simplify 183.503 minus 2.094 minus 9.809 plus 16.35. First we check that all the numbers are like decimals or not. Here 3 digit after decimal, 3 digit after decimal, 3 digit after decimal, but here 2 digit after decimal. Make them like decimal by putting 1 0. Now 183.503 minus 2.094. 183 minus 503 minus 2.094 gives you 181.409. Now next we have to subtract minus 9.809. 9.809 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो आया 171.600 and at the last plus 16.350 and the final answer will be 187.950. We can follow the BODMAS rule also. Do the addition first and then the subtraction, but keep it in mind always that when you are adding and subtracting two numbers, make sure what signs they have. Like here 183.503 is having plus sign and 2 having minus sign. पॉजिटिव इंटीजर एक और एक पॉजिटिव नंबर है और एक नेगेटिव नंबर है तो हम हमेशा सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. अगर हम इन दोनों की बात करें तो बोथ आर हैविंग नेगेटिव साइन, तो ये दोनों ऐड होंगे. दिस एंड दिस हैविंग पॉजिटिव साइन, ये दोनों ऐड होंगे और फिर होगा सब्ट्रैक्शन. आप वो भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं और यू कैन गो स्टेप बाय स्टेप कि फर्स्ट हमने सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, फिर हमने इसे सब्ट्रैक्ट किया और फिर इसे ऐड किया. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. व्हाट शुड बी एडेड टू 63.977 टू गेट 9090? Let x be added to 63.977 to get 90. Now we write it in mathematical form. X should be added to 63.977 to get 90. Right? Now we have to find the value of x. We will transport 63.977 to the right side. Sign will change of 63.977 minus 63.977. Now we have to subtract, and before subtracting we have to make them like decimal. Here after decimal there are 3 digits. We have to put 30 after this decimal minus 63.977 and then we will subtract. So the value of that number is 26.023. The answer. Now question number 12. What should be subtracted from 9.1 to get 0.313? What की जगह हम क्या ले लेंगे? x. Let x should be subtracted from 9.1 to get 0.313. 9.1 minus x is equal to 0.313. X be subtracted from 9.1 to get 0.313. Now we have to find the value of x. So we have to transpose 9.1 to the right side. x का साइन माइनस है तो वो माइनस ही रहेगा. 0.313 minus 9.1, right? First make them like decimal. 0.313 minus 9.100. 3 digit, 3 digit. Now we have to subtract because one number is positive and one number is negative. So we have to do the subtraction. तो 9.100 वो बड़ा है, आप उसी में सब्ट्रैक्शन करोगे छोटे नंबर को. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 1 is 8. 10 minus 3 is 7. And here 8 minus 0 is 8. So minus x is equals to minus 8.787. माइनस साइन बड़े वाले डिजिट का साइन है, वो बड़ा है तो इसलिए नेगेटिव साइन आएगा. माइनस साइन से माइनस साइन कैंसिल. सो द फाइनल वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स इज 8.787. Now question number 14. Here is the diagram. Ginny went from place S to P and then to place O as shown in the figure. Simi went from place P to S then to T. She further moved to place O from T. Who covered the greater distance by how much? Ginny covered, look at the picture, the distance S to P then P to O. So the SP distance is 5.9 plus P to O, that is 2.8 kilometer. So total distance Ginny covered is 8.7 kilometer. Now Simmi covered P to S 5.9 plus S to T, that is 3.5 plus T to O, that is 4.7. Total distance covered by Simmi is 14.1 kilometer. Hence Simmi covered more distance. She covered 14.1 and Ginny covered 8.7. But the question is saying by how much also. So then Ginny covered 14.1 minus 8.7 kilometer more, that is 5.4. So Simmi covered 5.4 kilometer more than